Alright, so we're starting part 4 of the salvage TSX. Right now we're gonna go clean out the engine bay. So we're gonna take a before and after picture because it's disgusting. And then we'll see what other stuff we do once we come back. So I'll pick up the video once we're over there at the car wash. Alright, we're over here at the car wash. So the only thing I'm gonna cover is alternator. I think that's all I should have to cover. But this is it. So I'll cover this right now. Alright, so we're back home. This is the final product. I'm gonna check the air filter right now, see how that is. But other than that, that's how I'm gonna leave it. The only thing I've noticed is that the brake booster is leaking, or the master probably. So I have to tell the next buyer that. And other than that, I guess that's the only leak this shit has. I think power steering is leaking a bit too, but it doesn't seem to go away, so that's good. Maybe it was an old leak, I don't know. But that's where I'm gonna leave off this video. Just a quick like engine bay video. All right, see you next video for this series.